everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping, and I have a special episode of Your Prep for today for you. And if you can't tell, it's not normal behind me. But before we get into that, I'd just like to remind you, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, now's the time to do it. Just click this little red button down here that says subscribe, then ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Doesn't mean you got to watch it, but just let you know it's there. All right, so hey, it's Halloween, guys. Time for ghouls, monsters, and all of the other fun things that kids like to get scared about. There are other things to worry about on Halloween, and I'm not talking about these guys. I'm talking about the ones that try to ruin it for everyone else by being sick and mean. So when you're out there with trick-or-treating with your kids, make sure they don't eat any candy till you get home and you have a chance to inspect it first. Anything that's like, say, apples, fruit, or whatever, even though it's wrapped up in plastic, throw away. Because there are some people that are injecting stuff into the fruits and stuff, and they're not good. I mean, actually, when I was young, there was some idiots out there putting, the safety razors, the double-bladed razor thing, sticking those into apples. All right. So check out your kids' stuff. Make sure whatever they're getting for Halloween is safe. Kind of inspect the packages so you don't see if the packages are the little candies are torn. Toss it. The other thing to do as well is whatever they're carrying, the bag, whatever, try to get something that is illuminated. If they have one of those orange plastic buckets to get it in, get a light stick or two, break them open, and put them in there so that the pumpkin glows, or the little ghost bag glow, whatever it is, it glows and shows up. Because kids have a nasty habit of running back and forth across the street. Even with you with them, they'll try to take off. Oh, they're getting a lot of stuff at that house, and they go start to take off running. And the people out driving around aren't exactly all watching out for kids. In fact, some of them are, I got to get over to my girlfriend's house for a party. And thumpity thump thump, they taking out some kids by accident. So exercise safety when dealing with your children on Halloween. All right. I know it sounds like a dumber and kind of a downer and kind of a, thing we talk about, but if you exercise safety, it could save you from having a really disaster Halloween. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish, especially on Halloween. And keep on prepping, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.